When evaluating a data provider, I often think of this three C's of data quality. That's clarity, correctness, and complete. So when I think about Eagleview and clarity, I really think about the source of the data. And the source of the data really all derives from our imagery. And what that really means is you have to think about recency and coverage. So for recency, we capture all the top 50 metros across the country annually. And for coverage, we have 94% of the single family residences in the United States. And we also capture 5 different perspectives. So that would be the top-down ortho image. And then we also capture for every single family residence the north, south, east, and west oblique all the way around the house, resolution as high as 1 inch. I also think about the correctness of the data quality and the data provider. So for Eagleview, kind of breaks down into 2 things. We have our roof models, we have our shade data. So for our roof models, we measure from those 5 different perspectives that I just shared, and it allows us to identify things like obstructions all the way down to 1-inch vent pipes. We could easily model multi-story buildings and large cut-up homes. And this really helps you reduce or eliminate external site surveys from your workflow. When it comes to our shade data, all our shade data is derived from our imagery. So there's no human modeling, there's no manipulation involved to kind of create that shade scene. All the near shade scenes are derived from our DSMs from our imagery, and that can be up to 300 meters around the primary structure of the house. All the solar access values derived from our process have been validated by DNV to be up to 98% accurate to ground truth. Now, when it comes to the completeness, Eagleview Data Solutions was built to support the project lifecycle. Our newest offering, SolarReady, is an AI-powered data service to support business intelligence, prospecting, outbound marketing, lead qualification, and instant estimates. Our roof models in a design tool can help you accurately from start to finish streamline your planning process to get to install faster, which ultimately means improved cash flows. Our shade data has the recency and frequency that you could depend on all the way down to 8760 modeling. And our CAD files can help you confirm fitment and also enable more scalable plan set solutions.